Here comes a lovely boat. She's called Green Boat. She's a 44-foot cruiser stern narrowboat built by Eurostar Manufacturing, formerly known as East West Marine. We sold her 4 years ago to the chap who currently owns her. She was last blacked in April 2020. She had a full survey in November 2020 actually. That's available in the office for viewing. She's been well looked after. Really lovely boat inside. Good sized social deck. That's today's Jason's first day back from paternity leave. He had a baby girl, Meredith, so that's wonderful news. 2 gas bottles in the forward locker there. That Pram hood crutch cover rather is in very good condition. These bus style windows are slider openers, so plenty of air through when it gets warm like it is today. The stern deck is 7 feet 6 inches long, so good space. There's a storm cover around the back there, protect your legs from wind and rain. There is also a Pram hood actually, very good condition, which you'll see at the end of this video. Onto the rear deck. We'll have a look at the engine first. Clean and tidy in here. It's a Barrashanks 35. Batteries, there are 2 95 amp hour AGM domestic batteries. They were brand new in November 2020 and 1 starter battery. There's good space out here. There's the view from the helm. Let's go and have a look. I'm going to start from the back because it's a bit harder to get on the front. So your typical East West Marine boats, lined in bamboo, floors bamboo. It's all quite shiny wood. The bed itself in here is 6 foot 4 by 4 foot. Storage underneath. Head height on the boat is 6 foot 4. All the lights are LED. There's some reading lights over the bed here. Good solid wood. Really lovely finish, this bamboo, I think. So 2 good sized drawers under the bed. There's a radiator in here. There are 3 of those on board. And there's storage under a couple of those steps. In here is the electrics. So the inverter is a 1600 watt Victron pure sine wave inverter charge. That was brand new in summer last year, 2023. There is a galvanic isolator in there as well, by the way. 3 drawers there. And this is quite clever. Really good sized wardrobe with a shelf over it. Loads of room in there to put your belongings. So that's the bedroom. The bedroom itself measures 9 feet 2 inches long. Down a corridor on the starboard side. Into the bathroom. It's a sort of wet room really, I suppose. Really good sized shower tray. There's a curtain rail there. The loo itself is a TMC macerator pump out loo. There's a 200 litre holding tank and a ceramic basin next to it over the cupboard. The bathroom measures 5 feet 6 inches long. The galley, 6 foot 2 inches long. The worktops in here are patterned granite. The fridge is a 12 volt shoreline with an icebox. Stainless steel sink. There's a window over it. This cupboard underneath the sink is huge. Lots of room in there. 3 decent sized cupboards over the cooker. Some lights under there as well actually. And this is a Thetford Mid-Creamer Mark III oven and grill and a Country Leisure 4 burner gas hob. Into the saloon. There's a really comfortable sofa. That sits opposite a 12 volt Avtex 18 inch TV DVD. There is a 24 inch TV in the bedroom wardrobe, but it's not been fitted yet or tested actually that it works. It's second hand. The water tank's under there. It's stainless steel, 450 litres. Nice cupboard in between the galley and the saloon there. Central heating on board is a Webasto Thermotop C diesel fired central heating system. That's brand new in 2022. Hot water is heated by the engine or the Webasto. Really lovely boat this. A lot of space really for a 44 foot boat with a 7 foot stern deck. Very comfortable living or holidaying. I did just want to show you quickly the boat with the Pram hood erected. So here we go, really nice condition. The side, back and front panels all come out, so she can just be a sunshade if you wanted to. Very good head height as well. So there we go, for a fully downloadable colour spec, brochure and the prize, go to our website www.rugbyboats.co.uk.